welcome to all of you. The third problem based on interquartile range, but in this case the class interval range is different than the previous one. Here the difference of the class interval is 20 and the frequency is mentioned to you. You need to calculate again three parameters: interquartile range, quartile deviation and coefficient of quartile deviation. You all know the formula. These are my formula, but you need to calculate first Q1 value and then Q3 value. Put all these two values Q1 and Q3 in the following equation and you will get interquartile range, quartile deviation and coefficient of quartile deviation. But my first step is to find out cumulative frequency. So first I am going to calculate cumulative frequency, which is addition of all frequency one by one. So this 5 remains same, then I add this value. 5 plus 18 comes 23, 23 plus 36 gives 59, 59 plus 22 gives 81, 81 plus 12, 93, 93 plus 7, 100. Now you check the summation of all frequency, whether it is equal to 100 or not. So 5 plus 8, 13 plus 6, 19, 21, 23 and 7, 30 carry 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. It means that since the both value is correct, it means there is no mistake from my side. So you have to check whether the cumulative frequency value, this value is similar to this or not. If it is similar, then proceed. Now you find out the value of Q1. So for Q1, what is my deciding parameter? So first you need the formula at L1 plus Qn by 4 minus PCF divided by F into I. Okay. So this is the formula of first quartile, lower quartile value. So what is my deciding parameter? So n by 4 is my deciding parameter. So first I am calculating my n by 4 value. N is 100, divide by 4, it comes 25. Now in cumulative frequency, I need to check where this value lie. So after this 23 is less than this, but after this value fall. So this is the range of my Q1 value. So what is L1? L1 is lower limit, which is 40. This is called F, frequency of quartile 1 range. This is my previous cumulative frequency, and class interval range is what? 20, because there is 20-20 gap. So I am putting all this value. L1 value is 40 plus n by 4 is what? 25 minus previous cumulative frequency is 23 divided by F. F is what? 36 and I is in this case 20. Why this is 20? Because the difference of higher limit and lower limit, 60 minus 40 comes 20. So I put over here. Now this 40 plus the difference of this is 2 divided by 36 multiplied by 20. So 180, 2 9s are 2 10s are. So you will get 40 plus 10 by 9. So 10 by 9 means 1.11. So this is 40 plus 1.11. So my Q1 value is equal to 41 plus 11. So I am getting this Q1 value. I am putting over here Q1 41.11. Now the same way I am calculating my Q3 value. So what is my Q3 value? So first you change the formula and then the equation also. So what is Q3? So my Q3 formula is L1 plus 3n by 4 minus PCF divided by F into class interval range. Now for Q3, what is your deciding parameter? My deciding parameter is what? 3n by 4. So 3n by 4 is my deciding parameter. So now I am going to calculate this 3n by 4. So 3n by 4 is equal to 3. What is my n value? N value is 100 divided by 4. So 425, it comes 75. So 75 is my deciding parameter. So now I am checking this 75, whether this value lie, where this value lie. So 75 lie after this. So after this, it means that this will be my selected zone. This is, I am using this table for Q3 calculation, and this 60 is my L1. This is my frequency value, and just before this means say 59 will be your previous cumulative frequency value. So I am putting all this value. L1 is what? Selected zone, this one 60. So 60 is my L1. 3n by 4 is 75. minus previous cumulative frequency just before this value. This is what my previous cumulative frequency, 59 divided by f. Since this is my selected zone, so this value is my frequency value 22 multiplied by I is the difference between the higher and lower limit, and this is equal to 20. So this value is 60 plus 75 minus 59, it gives 16 divided by 22 multiplied by 20. So this comes 60 plus 16 multiplied by 20 divided by 22, it comes 14.54. Okay, fine. So Q3 is equal to 74.54. This is the value of Q3. Now I check again this value, 16 by 22 multiplied by 20, 14.54, exactly correct. Now this is 74.54. Okay, so now I know what is the formula of Q3 and Q1. Now rest remains same. Now I am going to calculate each parameter. First parameter is interquartile range. So interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1. Q3 value is 74.54 minus of Q1 value is 41.11. So 74.54 minus 41.11. So this value comes 33.43. So this is interquartile range. Now second parameter is quartile deviation. Quartile deviation formula is Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. So I need to divide this parameter. So this value already I calculated. Q3 minus Q1 this. So I need to divide only this, divide by 2. So I divide this value by 2, I will get 16.715, and this is your quartile deviation. Now what is third? Coefficient of quartile deviation. Coefficient of quartile deviation, and this is Q3 minus Q1, Q3 minus Q1 divided by Q3 plus Q1. So Q3 minus Q1 is already calculated, and this value is 33.43 divided by Q3 plus Q1. So Q3 is 74.54, and plus you need to add in this 41.11. So this value comes 115.65. So once you divide this value in 33.43 divided by this value, you will get 0.289. So this is my coefficient of quartile deviation. So my coefficient of quartile deviation value is 0.289. Quartile deviation value is 16.714, and interquartile range is 33.43. So I hope by doing this, how you calculate the interquartile range and deviation. So I already covered 3 numerical problems based on this, and now after this again I am giving you 1 or 2 more examples based on this, so that you command on this topic. So I hope this is clear to all of you. Yes or no? It's clear? Okay, thank you so much for watching this video.